Good evening, dear all, students of Standard 11th. Now we have already learned how to write down the significant numbers or the figures for a given number that is in our mind. But sometimes we have to round off the given number such that we reach to the correct significant numbers. Example, we have to reach to the significant number, say 3 of the given data. Then in our measurement we may have 4 or 5 digits. So the extra 2 digits or 1 digit we have to round it off so that we reach the correct significant numbers or the figures. Okay. So for that, rounding off towards the significant figures, we have some rules for rounding off the uncertain digits. Now here the word uncertain digit is also given. What is uncertain digit? That digit which is not certain by the person who is measuring, or there is some defect in the instrument due to which there is an uncertainty in the digit measured and reported. So that has to be rounded off, provided the insignificant figures are asked. Fine. Okay. So let us follow the rule. Now rule number 1 I am just reading, then we will do with example how to follow that rule. Okay. So this is rule number 1. In this rule number 1, the preceding digit is raised by 1 if the insignificant digit to be dropped is more than 5. Now insignificant digit is to be dropped. Why it is to be dropped? So that we reach the correct significant digit. Simple. Okay. So here let us take an example in which the insignificant digit which is to be rounded off is greater than 5. Okay, greater than 5. Okay, so such an example let us take. So let us have one measurement 2.4567. Now let me show the insignificant digit or the uncertain digit by a small dash below it. Now this has to be rounded off. This digit 7 which is underlined and is the insignificant digit to be dropped is greater than 5. So what should we do? We should go to the preceding number which is 6, and the preceding number 6 should be added by 1. So what is our answer? 2.457. So what did we do in this step? The underlined digit was greater than 5. So we dropped it. We are not writing it. And we added 1 to the preceding number which was 6. And we wrote that number 7. Now our answer is to correct 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant numbers. One more example let us see. Let us see that we are taking our own examples. That is nothing very particular. 2.046. Fine. And let me underline 6 as the insignificant digit which is to be dropped, which is to be rounded off. Okay. So again we have 6 greater than 5 as per the rule. So 6 has to be dropped, not to be written. Okay. And we should move 1 digit ahead, that is this digit 4, and add 1 to this digit 4. So our answer becomes 2.04 plus 1, 5. Okay. So 6 is dropped, and to the previous digit 4 we have added 1 and written 5 instead of 4. So our answer becomes 2.05, which has 1, 2 and 3 significant numbers as per the requirement. Okay. Similarly, we can go for another example with 7.608. Again, 8 is underlined. 8 is greater than 5. So 8 must be dropped, and I should go to the previous digit 0, add 1 there and write. So what my answer becomes? 7.61, having 3 significant numbers or figures. Okay, what is done here? 8 is dropped, went to the previous digit 0, added 1 to it. So we write 7.61 having 3 digits in the given number. So I hope with these 3 examples the concept is clear. If the digit which is to be dropped, which is to be rounded off, is greater than 5, just drop it. Go to the previous digit, add 1 and write. That's the simple rule which I have explained just now. Now let us go to the next rule. Now if the insignificant digit to be dropped is less than 5, this was greater than 5, now we are considering less than 5. Then what is to be done? We have to simply drop that digit, just like how we dropped 7 here, 6 there and 8 there. Simply drop it, and to the preceding digit do not change. No changes. Here we added 1. Here we don't have to change. See, when you study, if you do a comparative study, it is easier for you to remember. Here the digit which is to be dropped is greater than 5. Here the digit which is to be dropped is less than 5. Then what should we do? Let us consider one digit like this, or one number like this. Here 4. 4 is less than 5. What should we do? 4, simply drop this 4. What to do with 5? Should I add 1? No. Simply write it as it is. 3.45 is my answer. Okay. Having 3 significant figures. Let us take one more example. 6.082. Here 2 is underlined. 2 is to be dropped, but 2 is less than 5. So what should I do to this 2? Drop it. What should I do with 8? Write it as it is. Correct? So how many digits does this have as significant digits? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. This is the way you have to understand what is to be done if at all the dropped digit or the dropping digit is less than 5. Let us talk about one more. 9.68. This I am taking at random, what is coming in my mind. 3 is to be dropped because 3 is less than 5. Drop it. What should I do with 9? What should I do with 9? Nothing. As it is, I will write 9.689. So how many significant figures does this number have? 4. So this is the way you round off to the correct significant figures as required. Okay. Now we will go to the next rule. Now in your mind, you must be thinking, this is greater than 5. This is less than 5. Greater than 5. Greater than 5. These dropping numbers are less than 5. What to do if the dropping number is 5 itself? Equal to 5. We will go to that rule now. So always remember one thing, that before the teacher finishes teaching, Don't bring doubts in your mind. Teacher will teach and clarify your doubts. Then later on, if you have any doubt, you can ask or resolve it by yourself. What happens is, before the teacher finishes, you get a doubt and you start thinking about the doubt. In the process, you miss what teacher is actually teaching. Your doubt remains a doubt and you miss what is taught by the teacher ahead. Remember that. Okay? So, let us clear your doubt that what to do if at all the dropping digit, the uncertain digit, the insignificant digit is equal to 5. Correct? Now here let me read. Then we will go to the example. If the insignificant digit is equal to 5, then if the preceding digit is even, the preceding digit before 5 is even, 5 is simply dropped. First we will talk about this part. Then we'll go to the next part. Now let us write one significant number which has a dropping figure, dropping digit equal to 5. So 7.345. Now this is the dropping digit which I have underlined. This is equal to 5. So what should I do? I should go to the preceding number. The preceding number is even. So what should I do? 5 should be simply dropped. Drop. So what should I look at? Preceding number. It is even. So it should remain as it is. So what is my answer? 7.34 to correct 3 significant digits. Fine. One more example. This is the example where the preceding digit is even and the underlined digit is equal to 5. So this is even. We'll go that side when it is odd. One more example. 8.625. The digit which is to be dropped is equal to 5. So what should I do? Go to the previous one. Is it even? Yes. So what should I do to this digit? Drop. So what have I done? Drop the 5 and 2 is written as it is. Okay. So 8.62 is my answer to 3 significant digits. Fine. So if the preceding digit is even, simply drop 5 and rewrite the number with the same digits. That's all you keep in your mind. Okay. Now let the preceding number be, digit be odd and the underlined number be equal to 5. Okay. So let us do with an example. What should I do? The preceding digit is raised by 1 in this case when it is odd. Preceding digit is odd, then add 1. The dropping digit is equal to 5, drop 5. Let us do some examples. 8.635. 5 is the underlying digit which is to be dropped. So drop it as it is. What should I do with 3? Add 1. So what is my answer? 8.64. What is its significant figures? 3. Fine. So what did I do? Drop 5. In both the cases I have to drop 5. But preceding number should be seen as even or odd. If it is odd, add 1 to it. Make it even. That's all. So I made it even. 8.64 and wrote 5. I dropped. Okay. What was done to 5? Dropped. Let us see one more example. 6.3215. 5 is the uncertain digit. insignificant digit to be dropped. So I drop it. What should I do to the previous digit? Preceding digit is 1. Add 1 to it. So what should I write now? 6.32 as it is. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is my answer? Or how many significant digits do I get? 4. Clear? So here, if at all the insignificant digit is 5, just drop it. In this case also, whether even or odd, the preceding digit is even or odd, just drop 5. What should I do then? I should go to the preceding digit. Is it even? Yes. Write it as it is. Is it odd? Yes. Add 1 to it and write. Add 1 to it, write. Means make it even. Preceding digit is odd, add 1, make it even, write. Clear? So this digits I have rounded off in all the 3 varieties, categories, greater than 5, less than 5, equal to 5. Clear? All of you? So I hope I am clear with the rules. I'll just move and you take a screenshot of whatever is done. Fine? Now let us solve a numerical such that we round off our answer or the reported measurement to the appropriate significant figures. So for getting the appropriate significant figures of multiplication or division, what is the rule? After multiplication, the answer should have the same significant figures as the least data. Now here our data is only one single data, that is 7.203 is the side of the cube, length of the cube. So how many significant figures it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 significant figures. Correct? So when we find out the total surface area, TSA of the cube, or the volume of the cube, our answer should have 4 significant figures because our data has 4 significant figures. It is only data, it has 4 significant figures. If any other data would be, the least significant figure should be in our answer. That was the rule which we have already learned in the previous video. Okay, so now length of the side of the cube is equal to 7.203 meters, that is given to us as the data. This has 4 significant figures and the total surface area, TSA I have written in short, which is total surface area, is equal to 6 into length square. I have just substituted the value so that we complete the video faster and understand the concept. This is the same question as in the textbook, so that when you read it, you understand it with the concept. Concept is very important. So I get, after multiplication, 6 multiplied by 7.203 square, I get a number with how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I get a number with 9 significant figures, but I want 4 significant figures. So I start from behind. I reduce the significant figures till I get a 4th significant figure. Fine. So 4 is less than 5. If 4 is less than 5, drop it. Now 5 is available to us. 5 is the last significant figure which is to be dropped. So drop it. But its previous digit is even. So write it as it is. Fine. Okay. But still I have come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. So what should I do? This becomes my last significant figure now, which is to be dropped, or last figure which is to be dropped. So I drop it because it is less than 5. Correct? Then I come to 9. Now I have to reach till 4 significant figures. Fine? So I have come till 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So I go to the previous digit, which is 9 again. I have to add 1 to this digit. I add 1 to 9. What do I get? 311.30. Fine. Now, do I have 4 significant figures? No, I still have 5 significant figures. So, what should I do? 0 is less than 5. So, I should drop it. Okay. So, my final answer becomes 311.3 with 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures as required for the question to appropriate significant figures. So, in this way, I should follow the rule for every digit. What did I do to 4? It was less than 5, so dropped it. What did I do to 5? 5 has to be anyway dropped. I should look at the previous digit 2. 2 is even, so drop it. Dropped 2 also. Okay, I'll write here drop. With reason I am saying dropped it. Now I am left out with 9. 9 is greater than 5, so I should go to the previous digit. That is also 9, so I should add 1 as per the rule 1 which we learned just now. When I added 1, I get 311.30, which is having 5 significant numbers, but I want 4 significant numbers, figures. So again I go to the last digit. Last digit is 0 less than 5, drop it. So my reported value becomes 311.3 meter square. Up to how many significant figures? 4. This is the way you have to use the rule. You have to keep on understanding whether the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, less than 5 or equal to 5. Follow the rule which we learned just now, rule number 1, 2 and 3 for rounding off, and reach the appropriate significant figures as asked in the question. This is very important in JEE NEET questions of chemistry also and of physics also. Clear? So keep this in your mind. Fine? Okay. Now we go to the next question, next part of the same question. We have to find out the volume of cube. What is volume of cube? L cube. So we have multiplied the given data 3 times. Same number cube. We got one number. Well, how many significant figures does this number have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 again. But my answer should have 4 significant numbers because my question has 4 significant numbers or figures which are the least in the given data. So again I follow the same procedure. What is the procedure? I go to 4. 4 is less than 5. Drop. I go to 5. Drop. I go to 7. It is preceding 5. So this preceding 5, it is odd. So what do I do? Add 1. So what do I get here? 373.714. 7 plus 1, 8. Did I reach 4 significant figures? No. So what should I do? Again I go to 8. 8 is greater than 5. So I add 1 to the preceding number. Drop this 8. Add 1 to the preceding digit. So what my answer becomes? 373.715. 5 is equal to 5. Drop. Preceding number is odd. So make it even or add 1. So my answer again becomes 373.72. 1 plus 1, 2. Did I reach 4 as a significant figures? No. So what should I do again? Again go to 2. 2 is less than 5. So I drop it. And my answer becomes 373.7, which has a significant figure of 4 meter cube, which is the correct significant figure now. Clear? Okay. So what should I do? Every digit I should follow the rule. Before following the rule, my eyes must go on the digit which is to be dropped. Is it greater than 5, less than 5, equal to 5? Follow the rule. 4, less than 5, drop it. 5, equal to 5, drop it. Previous digit 7, odd. So add 1. I added 1, I got 8. Now, did I reach the correct significant numbers? No. So I again went to the number 8. 8 is greater than 5. So I add 1 digit to the previous digit. So 4 plus 1, 5 I wrote. Did I reach the correct significant number? No. So I go to 5, drop it. 5 is to be dropped. Understood? So 5, if it is dropped, the previous digit is odd. Again I add 1. So I get 373.72. Did I reach the significant figures? 4? No. So I go to 2. 2 is less than 5. Drop it. My answer becomes 373.7. To correct significant figures 4 as per the data, as per the ask. So I leave my answer to there as 373.7 as the volume of the cube which is asked to me to correct 4 significant figures. Write down the unit meter cube. Clear? Okay, so both the numericals I have explained you why I dropped, why I added 1 according to the rules learnt just now. Clear? So remember these rules and round off the figure of the answer to correct significant appropriate figures as asked in the question. What are the correct appropriate figures? The least number of significant figures given in the data if we are multiplying or dividing the data. Fine. So I hope you have understood, and I will just move and you just take a screenshot of what we have done just now.